Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study NCERT Science Class 10. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. Next, read each chapter carefully, highlighting all the important concepts and definitions. As you read, create concise notes for every topic. These notes will be invaluable for quick revisions, helping you recall information efficiently without rereading entire chapters. This foundational step ensures you build a strong understanding from the start. To truly master the material, actively engage with it. Solve every in-text question and all exercises provided at the end of each chapter. This practice reinforces your understanding and helps identify areas needing more attention. Additionally, practice drawing and accurately labeling diagrams, as these are frequently tested. Consistent, regular revision of previously studied chapters is crucial to solidify your knowledge and prevent forgetting. Elevate your preparation by attempting previous year's question papers. This familiarizes you with the exam format and common question types. Analyze your performance to identify weak areas, then dedicate extra study time to strengthen those specific topics. Don't hesitate to discuss difficult concepts with your peers or teachers. Explaining or hearing different perspectives can clarify complex ideas. Collaborative learning can significantly boost your comprehension. For optimal exam performance, create a consistent study schedule and commit to it. Remember to stay hydrated and take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. A well-rested mind performs better. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other helpful deals. Prioritizing your well-being alongside your studies is key to achieving your best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.